Okay?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Meet my teacher again.
Typhoon, the phone.
Typhoon is
Now we go to the left. Right or left?
right.
Right.
Before is
You know how to sing?
Andi ule.
Can you sing?
Andi ule.
أيوة. ولا ولي ولا
Ule.
ولي. You know how to sing شلوني صوري?
Huh?
شلوني صوري, you know?
Ano? Mabi malu. Arabic?
Arabic, it's Omani.
Omani?
From Sur.
Zul.
Sur العفية.
Zul. Lavia.
عفية. Good, good, good. أيوة. Can see what you will do. Time is hurrying again, huh? To you.
Yeah.
You see? أيوة. This is from right. Yeah, always when you see it's not okay, you can fix it, no problem. Most important, you have to go back by safety. بس تلتي العدو.
Tatilado.
ايوه.
What is tatilado?
You kill the enemy.
Tatilado.
ايوه.
Tatilado.
تلتي العدو.
Ano?
لا الحمد لله ما شاء الله you are okay والله. I swear to God.
After how many times?
ما شاء الله. يلا I want to see you from outside.
What's it?
Hello everyone, once again today we brought in Masfina at the location of ET drum area. We stopped for practice because of the cyclone of Shaheen. So now we start again with Masfina. Masfina, she's doing good. At least she's not forget. You can see that. Yeah, she's doing fine. Good. Alright. Going back. We stopped for 4 days because of the cyclone. Now she start to practice again, but alhamdulillah she's not forget. We'll try to make her ready for the tests. So this week. Yeah. Let's see her again to the right. To the right. So this week. Yeah. Let's see her again to the right. To the right. At least when she go back, even she become early, it's okay. This is fine. But what's very important here in this area, you have to fix. Don't be in a hurry. At least you come near to the drum, then the steering should be straight, like that. Yes, you will stop and fix the steering straight, sorry. And she will come near to the drum, bumper inside, the tire outside should be, like that. Turning to the right. Go ahead. But if there is, you need to fix from the beginning from here. Yeah, like that. Always don't be in a hurry. Step by step you can make it. She's doing good. Very good. Yes, 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 yes. Nina, doing good. Let's say hello for her. Vina, how are you? You okay? You, you are tired? Alright, Miss
I'm
Vina.
so stressed.
Why? I know you are because you stopped before 3-4 days before because of the
Yes, yes.
cyclone. What's his name?
Sahin!
Shaheen. Shaheen, yeah. Huh. So now she's tired again, but at least she is not forget. Yeah. Good. Very good. Okay. Now, what you will do? You will go again?
Practice.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Right. Drive, huh?
I took reverse. So guys, after
Don't hit the tent.
after typhoon unit practice.
Yeah, yeah. How many days we stop? 3-4 days.
1 week.
1 week, yeah.
Then
Where are you that time when the typhoon come?
working.
Working. Working, yeah.
Working.
All right.
My heart beat. Duk 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 duk. Seem like it marak.
And again. Full to the. Okay then. Turn steering, yes. And leave it. No. You have to stand same time. That's it. So you will come very close to the drum from right there.
Yeah,
What you will do? Turn to
Left.
the left. Yeah, better. More. More. That's it. There's no chance. Yeah, you can make it. Yeah, also. Okay, now we will go to right.
Right.
You.
Up.
Right.
Second drum will be in the triangle.
Triangle lah.
Up.
Can we see?
Window.
You can see?
Not yet. Yes, now.
Hmm? Hmm?
Yeah.
Where?
Lah lah lah. This size.
Okay. Alright. Ready? You turn from here, no?
Yes. Full
Full
turn.
right.
Right.
Slowly. You can see.
My heart. My heart. Beat. Duk 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 duk. Seem like it. Marak.
And again. Full to the. Okay then. Again, turn steering this. And leave it. No. You have to turn same time. That's it. So you will come very close to the drum from right hand.
Yeah,
What you will do, turn to
Left.
the left. Yeah, better. More. More. That's it. There's no chance. Yeah, you can make it. Yeah, also. Alright guys, so Miss Fina, you will go to the right side again and again and again. See? So guys, I want to show you when Miss Fina you go back. When she's already here on this drum, near to this drum number one, the bumper inside and tire outside. I want to show Miss Fina. I want to stop and get out from the car. You can see the view. So also this is good for you guys. When you are inside, try to do the strike. When you go inside, the bumper inside, tire outside should be, yeah, like that. Okay, just straight, just straight. That's it. Okay, Miss Fina. Okay, I wanted to stop just to make. I wanted to see the view from outside. Can you come?
Okay.
Just save your yeah, barking. All right, come. I wanted to see the view, how it will be. So when she is inside, she can know the size exactly. Okay, Vina? See. See the view, huh? Where is the bumper? There. The bumper where?
Yeah.
Yeah. The tire where? Outside. From this moment, what you will do? You will turn
Turn right.
full right, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Always when you are here, the size like this. When you come near, when you come before the drum, before the size. When you come from the middle side, no?
Okay.
Okay? So let's go inside again. Yes? Vina, go. Aywa, aywa, run. It's good to stop the car and try to go out and see the view like that. It's good for you. Okay? Yalla. Now she will turn full right. Of course. Aywa, like that. And you can see the view. When is everything okay? From you, from right and left. Then straight, steady. Like that. Exactly. Then straight. That is very easy. Yes, very easy. But you need to think what you will do here, you know, in this door. if you are coming early from right side or left side, better to come early, because why? When you are coming near the drum, you can fix it. But if you come late, you will hit this drum. If you're coming from left, if you're coming from right, you hit that drum. Okay, always come early. Don't come late. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and see you inshallah another video. Let's see for Vienna. Okay Vienna,
Yes.
we will say goodbye to the people.
Bye. See you.
See you inshallah.
Another video.
Okay, I hope you'll pass inshallah. Okay, yeah, bye. Take care.